Hey Travel Bees, welcome back to another week, and this week we are going to talk about the Stuart Boat Show that is here on the Treasure Coast of Florida where I happen to live. I'm really excited to share it with you guys, so come on, let's go check it out. Go check out the boats that I can't afford right now. Hey guys, we're gonna check out this boat that's $2 million here at the Stuart Boat Show. Let's check it out. All right guys, let's go check it out.
There are 4 staterooms and 3 heads, aka bathrooms. We have an aft master down here, so this is the master. Very large TV in the wall unit, complete with a Sonos sound system throughout the whole yacht. And then my favorite feature, when you're getting ready, it's great to have the natural light of the windows. This comes up into the vanity, and you have a little seat over here. There's a safe as well, and 2 very deep drawers. We've got our fridge over here, freezer below. And then my personal favorite, right behind, we have a wine chiller. The TV rises up. That is your helm over here, aka where the captain sits and drives the boat. This boat has a Volvo IPS system, so you actually control it with a joystick.
Very nice. How easy is it to drive the boat?
Well, pretty easy, but some people just don't like the joystick operation. It really just depends on how you like to drive your boat. It's called a VIP, second best from the master. You put your VIP guests in here. Another full-length mirror, gorgeous windows. This boat has really nice lighting. And you also have heads here connected.
So you said there's how many bedrooms in here?
So there's 4 staterooms and crew quarters down by the swim deck where you guys entered.
Awesome.
Yeah, this boat sleeps about 8. boat and still be part of the party.
And how much is this boat?
So the listing price right now is $2.169.
And what is your company?
I work for Rick OB Yacht Sales, and my name's Paulina.
Paulina, well, thank you so much for showing us around.
Thank you.
Thank you.